how to turn on or turn off call barring or outgoing calls on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the phone app. Then tap on the more button at the top corner. Next, tap on settings. Now in call settings, we scroll down and then tap on supplementary services. Then in here, tap on call barring. And in the outgoing calls section, tap on all outgoing calls. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Now depending on your network provider, they may block this feature. So they might block you from using this feature directly on your phone. Instead, some network carrier require you to call them to activate call barring. And that's it. Finally, once it has been turned on or switched off, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.